Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. Hope you guys doing good today. In this tutorial, I will show you how to rename columns in Google Sheet. Let's begin. First, open your spreadsheet containing the columns you want to rename. Click on the column you want to rename. For example, I am clicking this column. Now all I have to do is simply double click on the column. This action will make the text editable. Now enter the new column name. You can change it to anything you like. After entering the new name, press enter. Your column is now renamed. That's it. You have successfully renamed a column in Google Sheets. Stay tuned for more informative videos here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.